Does English make sense in your ears but not in your mouth? Do you feel a mental wall every time you try to speak? Then this is for you. Stop overthinking. Just mimic and repeat. Focus on the melody, not the perfection. Let's begin. I am becoming a natural speaker. I am becoming a natural speaker. I show up for my goals every day. I show up for my goals every day. My pronunciation is getting clearer. My pronunciation is getting clearer. I embrace the challenge of learning. I embrace the challenge of learning. I am proud of my dedication. I am proud of my dedication. Every word I say builds my future. Every word I say builds my future. Now, something more natural. The truth is, I used to be terrified of speaking. The truth is, I used to be terrified of speaking. But I realized that action beats overthinking. But I realized that action beats overthinking. Now I open my mouth even when I feel nervous. Now I open my mouth even when I feel nervous. I don't wait for the right moment anymore. I don't wait for the right moment anymore. I just dive into the conversation. I just dive into the conversation. Sometimes I stumble, and that's completely okay. Sometimes I stumble, and that's completely okay. I learn from every single mistake. I learn from every single mistake. I focus on progress, not perfection. I focus on progress, not perfection. My potential to learn is limitless. My potential to learn is limitless. I am the creator of my own success. I am the creator of my own success. I refuse to give up on my dreams. I refuse to give up on my dreams. I am bold enough to be misunderstood. I am bold enough to be misunderstood. I trust the process of my growth. I trust the process of my growth. I am patient with my own progress. I am patient with my own progress. Final stretch. I know it takes time, but I am patient. I keep going no matter what. I feel more capable with every breath, and I'm just getting started. Great job. Come back and practice again tomorrow.